Hey everyone, I'm Andrew from SlyWork.AI and welcome back to the channel where we explore the best AI-powered tools to help you work smarter, not harder. Today we're diving into the world of interior design and counting down the top 5 AI tools that can take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Whether you're planning a home remodel or working on a professional design project, these tools are absolute game changers. When my family decided to remodel our living room, I was overwhelmed by the sheer number of decisions to make, from layouts to materials to furniture placement. That's when I discovered how transformative AI interior design tools can be. These tools don't just save time, they spark creativity, help you visualize your space, and simplify the entire process. And the best part? Many are budget-friendly or even free to try. Whether you're a homeowner, a DIY enthusiast, or a professional designer, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive into my top 5 picks and see how they compare. Kicking off the list at number 5, we have HomeVisualizer.AI, scoring 7.2 out of 10. This tool is fantastic for beginners and hobbyists who want to dip their toes into interior design without feeling intimidated. It features an intuitive interface and AI-driven layout suggestions that make exploring different design ideas a breeze. However, its furniture catalog is a bit limited, and it lacks robust collaboration tools, so it's not ideal for larger or more complex projects. If you're just starting out and want a no-fuss tool to experiment with, HomeVisualizer.AI is a solid choice. Coming in at number 4 is HomeDesigns.AI, with a score of 7.3 out of 10. What makes this tool stand out is its hyper-realistic rendering capabilities and features like the beautiful redesign mode, which can transform your space with minimal input. Whether it's an interior, exterior, or even a garden, this tool delivers stunning visuals in seconds. That said, it doesn't integrate well with advanced design software like CAD, and its collaboration options are limited. If you're a homeowner looking for quick inspiration and stunning results, HomeDesigns.AI is perfect for you. Claiming the third spot is VisualizeAI.Pro, scoring 7.8 out of 10. This tool excels in creating photorealistic renders and offers smart design suggestions powered by AI, making it a favorite among solo professionals. The interface is sleek and easy to use, but its furniture library isn't as diverse as others on this list, and it doesn't shine in team collaboration scenarios. If you're a professional designer or an advanced hobbyist who values high-quality visuals and efficient workflows, VisualizeAI.Pro is an excellent tool to have in your arsenal. In second place, we have Planner 5D, scoring 8.3 out of 10. This versatile tool is perfect for designing interiors and creating detailed floor plans. The AI-powered features like floor plan recognition simplify what would otherwise be time-consuming tasks. Plus, its 4K rendering capabilities make visualizing your space in both 2D and 3D incredibly easy. While its free version is robust, advanced features like full furniture catalogs and architectural tools are locked behind paid subscriptions. If you're a beginner who wants room to grow or a professional balancing ease of use with functionality, Planner 5D is a great option. And the top spot goes to HomeStyler, scoring an impressive 8.5 out of 10. HomeStyler is the all-around powerhouse of AI interior design tools. Its vast furniture library, strong collaboration features, and integration with professional workflows make it a favorite for both advanced users and design teams. The platform also offers 4K rendering and detailed customization options, which are ideal for creating polished, professional-grade designs. While its premium features can be pricey, and its extensive tools may feel overwhelming to beginners, HomeStyler's capabilities make it well worth the investment for those serious about design. To recap, here are the top 5 AI interior design tools. At number 5, HomeVisualizer.AI, a simple and intuitive option for beginners. At number 4, HomeDesigns.AI, perfect for quick, visually stunning redesigns. At number 3, VisualizeAI.Pro, a go-to for photorealistic renders and professional solo work. At number 2, Planner 5D, a versatile tool for both beginners and pros looking for a balance of functionality and simplicity. And at number 1, HomeStyler, the ultimate platform for professional-grade designs and robust collaboration. Each of these tools shines in its own way, so whether you're redesigning a single room or planning an entire remodel, there's an AI tool here to fit your needs. Head over to SlyWorkAI.com for the full article and more insights on AI-powered tools for creators. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching.